Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in Euro USD currency pairs. I will be starting the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame, and I will be sharing you the support and resistance levels in each time frame. Please use these levels for entry and exit in your trades. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our group. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. So when we look at the price action in daily time frame, it is forming a very nice double top pattern and it is on the process of retracement. I am expecting it to touch this bottommost support line of the trend line. So it was in a very nice bullish trend, and when we notice the earlier price action also, it was on a very nice bullish trend. So I am expecting current price action to take support at this trend line. Overall, the price action is in a very nice bullish trend when we do the analysis from the daily time frame. And when we closely look at the current price action, it was on a very nice bearish trend and it was trading on a bearish channel pattern. And currently the price action is consolidating, or it is in a range bound market for now. The top side resistance is at 1.13771 and the bottommost support is at 1.11882. So it is a range bound market for now. So previously also when we look at the price action, it was a range bound, then it started its bearish trend. So I am expecting it to consolidate around this area, then continue its bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame also, it is in a very nice consolidation. It is trading within this support and resistance levels. Within this support and resistance level also, currently it is on a retracement. So you can draw trend lines like this and decide on your entry and exit when it touches this resistance level. So from this price action, we understand that it is still in a very nice bearish trend and the bottommost support is going to be at 1.11882. So we can go on a bearish trend once the price action touches this resistance level. But we have to wait for the price action to bounce back from this resistance level. There are chances that it can breach this resistance line also. So only when you get the confirmation of the price bouncing back, you go on a bearish trend. But overall, when we look at the price action, it is in a very nice downtrend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the market is on a bearish trend, and overall when we see the market also, it is in a bearish trend, but currently it is in consolidation within this support and resistance levels. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here also it was on a very nice bullish trend, and as explained in the hourly time frame, currently the trend reversal has happened and it is in a very nice bearish trend. It has gone down and retraced, again gone down and retraced, but currently when we notice the price action, it is finding difficulty to break this support level. So you have to wait for the price action to break this support level of 1.12728 to actually go on a bearish side trade. Otherwise we can expect it to test this level and even to breach this resistance level and start its bullish trend. But still overall market is in a range bound market. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in the black color are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame, and currently the price action is consolidating within this support and resistance levels. Wait for it to take resistance at this level and then wait for the break on this support level. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. As explained in the 30 minutes time frame, current price action is struggling to break this support level of 1.12770 and it is forming into a very nice triangle pattern. Wait for it to break this level to go on a bearish side trade, or we can expect the price action to consolidate around this area and trend reversal to happen. But presently the price action is in a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and you can notice that the current price action has taken resistance at the level of 1.12943 and the trend reversal is happening, but still it is trading within this support and resistance level. So wait for it to take a breakout from this support side or on the resistance side, then go on a directional trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button, and if you have any comments, please leave it in the comment section and share this video with your friends.